ready to be thoroughly impressed by this breathtaking aliens in space. And here they come!
They will open the show with a drop stagger. On today's show, piloting the F-16 is Major Sun Wei Yang.
2026, in addition to the aerial performances, there are also aircraft displays at the commercial, business, military and unmanned platforms from leading manufacturers and operators in the large exhibition areas as well. And I'm sure you noticed the RACM is exhibiting its A330 MRTT, or the Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport, passenger cabin doors and 4 wing emergency exits equipped with evacuation slides, enabling rapid evacuation in emergencies as well. The aircraft layout displayed today consists of 158 seats, including 8 business class seats. 4,075 and 5,555 kilometers, meeting different operational requirements of airlines. Its maximum operational altitude, 39,800 feet, design maximum takeoff and landing altitude at 15,000 feet. So ladies and gentlemen, for Airshow 2026, Weekend at Airshow 2026, this is the COMAC C919. So with that, we'll wrap up the breathtaking aerial display right here, the Weekend at Airshow 2026 for the second aerial display. Once again, the aerial display happens at 11 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. daily tomorrow as well. With that, we come to the end. And take note that if you come back tomorrow, take a look at some of these aerial displays at 11 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. And of course, the aircraft displays of commercial, business, military and unmanned platforms from leading manufacturers and operators in the large exhibition areas as well.
Indonesian Air Force Aerobatic. The Jupiters are Indonesia's premier display team, soaring through the skies with 6K D1B Woongbi, painted in a striking red and white scene, symbolizing the color of the Indonesian national flag, like an arrow. And this is the synchro, nose up. Stop rolling, approaching right before you are. Singapore, get ready! Here come the Jupiters with Novera and Please make some noise to the Jupiters, Indonesian Air Force Aerobatic team. The Jupiters are equipped with a white smoke generator painting the sky over Singapore with their breathtaking maneuver. The KT-1B Woongbi, widely known as a propeller aircraft. Rise to the Jupiters, Indonesian Air Force Aerobatic team. The Jupiters are equipped with a white smoke generator painting the sky over Singapore with their breathtaking maneuver. The KT-1B Woongbi, widely known as a propeller aircraft, present greater challenge in formation flight, especially in aerobatics. Yet the Jupiters have proven that through dedication, rigorous training, and unwavering belief, any challenge can be conquered. Stand by for a powerful demonstration of teamwork and formation excellence by the Jupiter. Honor guests coming from the left. Ladies and gentlemen, the Jupiter's nose pulling up. Brace yourself. Gasket. Gasket.
This is a military and unmanned platforms from leading manufacturers and operators in the large exhibition areas as well. The RSAF will exhibit its A330 MRTT or the Airbus A330 Bounty Road Tanker Transport and aerial refueling and military transport aircraft based on the civilian Airbus A330. So please take a look at the exhibition. And once again, it's people like you who really make us very passionate and inspired to be doing the air shows for you every 2 years. And we come a long way through the Changi Exhibition Center for the weekend air show to witness the flying displays and check out the exhibitions. Hope to see you again tomorrow. And we'll see you again for the next particular air show. I'm the display commentator. This is
There is a
Breathtaking.
forecast
See you
of rain
again.
with
Have a pleasant day.
For your own safety, we urge everyone to proceed and remain indoors until further notice. There is a forecast of rain with lightning. For your own safety, we urge everyone to proceed and remain indoors until further notice. Thank you.